Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders like so, 12-volt power outlet, and two USBs. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 28,743 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, trip odometer, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy. Then you can also go to your fuel economy separately, your driver assistance settings, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential with a little cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then you have another 12-volt down here with two USBs, as well as this little shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.